So this demo video is about fault finding the control board. If the control boards had a big power spike, these two knobs will blow, and you can just check across the two terminal points at the bottom for continuity, and that will tell you whether they're still intact. If the red light is on, it means that they're fine. So if the red light's out, they would be the first things that I would check. Now, what I would do to check any parts is go to factory test mode, hold the two buttons in for 5 seconds, let go, and then scroll over to factory test mode. Go in there, and the first thing that will turn on is the controller. Now, each part that you want to test, the control is all along these points. So as you turn each point on with a wiring diagram, you can check that there's power coming out of any of your outputs along here, and that will tell you if say a relay has faulted, or if it's constantly on, maybe one of these triacs is burnt in, which is a common problem if you've had a short of some sort through the machine. A way to test it, if you like, is to, with the board off, powered off, you can take your multimeter and you can put one point here, and this bottom leg here is your continuity across the switch, and you can beep this little triac. So you put your multimeter here and here, and you turn it to beep, and it will beep. If it beeps all the time, that means that is burnt in. It should turn on and off as you test this triac in factory test mode. Say you were testing this one and it was the wash pump, you'd go to wash pump and turn it on, and then this would turn on. But if it's constantly on, when you go to beep it, these 2 points, it'll be constantly, you'll have constant continuity. It won't be switching, which means it's burnt in. And if it was controlling a heating element, you'd have a boiling tank, whether it's the boiler, it'd constantly be boiling, and that's a common fault for that.